Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarahy. Thank you so much for being here today. So today I'm going to be doing this hairstyle right here. I'm pretty much going to style 3-day hair, as you guys could tell by the caption of this video. Lately, I've been loving my IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, which is this one right here. I literally can't live without it. And you can also purchase this at ulta.com, and I will have all the links and products down below on my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check this dry shampoo out. I'm telling you, this will save your hair, especially if you're like me. Sometimes I don't like washing my hair every single day, and that's really bad for your hair, especially if you're trying to grow it, you know? And what I love about this dry shampoo is that it literally gets rid of the odor that you have in your hair, like the smell. You know, when you just don't shower for 3 days, it just starts to, you know, smell a little. I call it the human smell. I don't know, I call it the human smell because every single human smells that way, you know? Anyways, and also I quickly want to mention that I did partner up with IGK Hair in this video to show you guys this amazing dry shampoo that honestly I just recommend to you guys. So if you guys want to learn how I styled my 3-day hair, then please continue watching. So right now I have a 3-day hair. As you guys see, it's very, very oily. I never go 3 days of not washing my hair. I wash my hair every 2 days. I'm gonna show you guys how the First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo works. So this pretty much is just going to absorb all the dirt you have in your hair, like me right now. 3-day hair, you guys, that's crazy to me because I never do this. I always wash my hair, I mean, every 2 days, I think, or every, one day I do, one day I don't, one day I do, and one day I don't. Just because I feel like my hair will be more healthier that way. I don't want to wash it every day. It's bad to wash your hair every day. So as you guys can see, my roots are super, super dirty. It's not cute at all. So this dry shampoo is going to erase any oils I have on my scalp, any dirt. So I cannot wait, you guys. It looks like this. Look how nice the bottle is, and it's a really good amount. It's really, really big. This will also eliminate odor if you have any, and I'm pretty sure I have odor right now. It stinks, you know. It's been 3 days, so I'm gonna see how this works. So like I said, this is a very heavy duty dry shampoo, and let's just see how it works. And let's spray it. No. In here. Oh, it smells so good. And it's also saying to leave it on for 30 seconds. Leave it on for 30 seconds and then massage it to your scalp. And so I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more on the center right here. Like that. Oh my god, right away you can see, right away you can see how it's already not so oily, and it smells so amazing, you guys. A lot of you guys ask me what's my secret on having long healthy hair, and I'm literally telling you guys, I don't apply any conditioner. I just, literally just wash my hair with normal, I just use Head and Shoulders, honestly. That's all I use for my hair. And let me just go ahead and massage it into my scalp because I feel like 30 seconds already passed. So right away, you can tell. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here because it's the center of my hair. That's where the freaking sun hits, you know, and then it just not good. Ooh, you can right away see also how it kind of lifts up your hair. Look at that. Doesn't that look like it's lifting my roots? It doesn't look, I mean, it looks shiny, but it's not a disgusting shine. It's healthy. Oh, you just washed your hair, girl. You just came out of the freaking salon. It looks really good though. I really love this dry shampoo. And it smells amazing. It's very, very, very Like, it's a really nice smell, honestly. I'm gonna be using my Numi wand. I really, really love this one, you guys. It's honestly the best one I have because it heats up super, super quick. After this, I'm gonna go to the Endgame premiere. So, I mean, not premiere. What the fuck? Oh my god. The Endgame. I guess it is the premiere because it's supposed to come out tomorrow, but I got early tickets for tonight, so I cannot wait. And I also watched all 20 movies or 21? Yeah, 20 movies because I saw it on Twitter. If you follow these, like if you watch all these movies, you're gonna get the whole, you know, storyline. So that's what your girl did. Like, I wanted to understand a little bit more what was happening. Okay, now I'm rambling, but now I'm just going to curl my hair, and literally I'm just gonna, like, since I curled it yesterday, I'm not gonna curl it as much today, but the key of having healthy hair, honestly, you guys, is dry shampoo. Like, not washing it every day, especially not washing it every day. I feel like you get rid of all the oils, you know, that make your hair healthy and long, honestly. Like, I have really long hair and it's not damaged at all because I don't really put that much heat to it either. Like I said, dry shampoo is your best friend, especially if you don't want to wash it every day. Keep it healthy, you know. But that's just me, honestly. Like, look how pretty it looks already. You guys, this is 3-day hair. Like, I'm shook. I'm so amazed on how the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo is just amazing, honestly. And I truly, truly, truly think that dry shampoo is your best friend, especially if you want, you know, like I said, healthy, long hair. Honestly, like, this looks so good, but I feel like there's just straight parts, like right here, that need to be fixed. I'm sorry if there's so much noise in the background. Oh my god, and since we are watching it at 10:45 freaking p.m., I'm gonna come back, take my makeup off, and just go to sleep. So my hair's gonna be dirty for sure. I'm not gonna wash it tonight, but that's why we have IGK. Is it me, or am I the only one that applies lipstick right before they leave the door? Literally, I feel like it's just more fresh, and I actually started to do that recently. I would do it every time I finished doing my makeup, but now if I'm going somewhere, I just do it right, you know, in the car sometimes too. So that's it, you guys. Look how freaking, and like, literally my hair looks so freaking voluminous. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my how to style 3-day hair video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to press the bell notification so it can notify you guys whenever I upload new videos and new content. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.